Hey guys, it's me Flo, and today I have a 15-minute poster challenge. I'm excited about it, but I'm also nervous because 15 minutes is not a lot of time, but I'm excited because I feel like maybe I'll come up with something cool, which would be super awesome. And I challenge you guys to join me along and try to make a poster in 15 minutes. If you guys do that, make sure to tag me on IG. Let's get this started. 15 minutes! Oh my gosh, 15 minutes. What was I thinking? But let's get it started, guys. Okay, let's do it this size. Okay. So the reason why I wanted to do this, I just thought it would be like a super great way to get my creative juices flowing, and I was also inspired by many of the daily graphic design challenges inspired by Baugasm, and he has some amazing work. So I thought, you know what? Why not try my own little, design challenge? So I thought, why not do a 15-minute design challenge and see what I can come up with. I feel like just putting myself under that pressure, maybe I can come up with something amazing or maybe not. But anyways, I'm gonna stop blabbing.